How to play Roblox VR with your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to play Roblox VR with your phone. So for that, you need to enable VR first of all. And to enable VR, you need to first of all make sure that you've installed Roblox, and then you need to follow this step. That is, you need to ensure that the device is properly connected to PC as well as VR mode is toggled on. Now within your application, you need to go to the menu, then go to settings, then you need to locate VR, and then you need to toggle it on. And for more details, you can see how to toggle below as well. Likewise, you could go ahead and open your computer, install and open the Steam VR app. Now you need to go ahead and open XR as a backend for the Steam VR. Then you need to turn the controller on. Once you've done that, the status icon on the Steam VR app and the status light on the hardware should be green. And then next you need to go ahead and start playing on the Roblox, and then you need to put your headset and play. So you could go with the Oculus VR as well. So that's basically how you can toggle the VR mode, or how you can play Roblox VR with your phone. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.